What's poppin', my beautiful friend? Another day, another challenge out here. So listen, you know what we're gonna replace today? A hard drive. That's who. You know why? Because sometimes it'll be like that. Listen. So my sons, I got two sons. You know what that means? I got two hard drives. Now this thing is a 2 terabyte. Look at that, 2 terabyte. That means that's 2,000. Okay. You know how much this is? 512. This means this is only a quarter of what this man. Okay, so these computers are not even that old. I don't even know how old they are, but I gotta replace the hard drives. Why? Because these things are fried, man. So what happened was when my sons would be using his computers, our hard drive would just be like, I'm trying to fix myself. So I gotta replace both hard drives. So this one was, 50 bucks. You know what I'm saying? I went to Best Buy to try to use their Geek Squad. You know what the Geek Squad said? Yeah, man, if you want us to do the labor and stuff, for labor, that'll be like, I was like, how much is the, Geek Squad fee or whatever, for the year is $200. But if you buy the part or whatever, well, that doesn't include getting the part, okay? It's $200 for the year. Listen, Becky, okay? If I could do this solo, that's what I'm finna do. Okay. So needless to say, I am Geek Squad right now, shorty, okay? It's about as quick as this is gonna be. Shorty, chitty bang bang, they do what it do, okay? Now if this thing's wrong, we'll go back to Geek Squad and say, I need a new one. First things first, is you compatible? Yes, you is. Okay, so all we gotta do is just place this in here like that. Chitty bang bang, okay? And just like that, I'm gonna be Geek Squad. Okay, geeking, squatting. Shoot. And just like that, we got a whole new, right? Hard drive. So needless to say, okay. Put this back on here. And we're gonna gang. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. We done put the little thing back on here. Chitty bang bang. Tightened up. So what we gonna do is Geek Squad will charge me. Geek Squad will try to charge me $200 per year to get a subscription. To do this. That's all I did. Took some screws off, put a new one on. Shaking my dress. Now we're gonna test it out after we're done with this. That's all I'm saying. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Okay. Before and after. Oh, baby. So, one down. Hold on. F2. I wasn't even recording. So my son has a Windows update from 2021. We accept. We got 497, 76 gig space. Copying Windows. Installing Windows. We'll do attitude today. Thinking.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.